My next guest today is America's most experienced manufacturer's rep. It's Don Dennison. Nice to see you, Don.
Thanks, Trevor. Thanks for that introduction. It's well taken.
Well, I mean, you're certainly one of the most experienced guys up in north of the border here. You know a huge amount about that territory and what products sell well and what products don't. This is your first foray down here to Mexico.
Absolutely.
So what are your first impressions?
Very eye-opening. I got the impression that I was at Apex. Everybody's got their equipment. They're introducing new equipment.
Right.
And a lot of interest, a lot of excitement. And I think there's a lot of business going on down here.
There is. There's a lot of business going on down here. And you've even seen some bits of equipment that you don't normally see and managed to pick up even one line, I believe it.
Sure,
yeah.
And I'm looking forward to working with some new clients that I can pick up down here. I know the industry down here is, as you said, supporting the Americas. We have all the automotive companies are down here, and some of the bigger appliance companies are down here. So, you know, I think that's what's feeding our industry right now.
Yeah.
And I know the distributors down here personally, and they're all doing well. And they're very happy. I
mean, they're doing well relatively. I mean, I think worldwide there's been a little bit of a pullback in the first half of this year. Some of that has been because of inflation. Some of it's been for monetary reasons. Some of them are holding off for the elections, the other side of elections, but also the automotive business. The automotive business has been pulling back a little bit.
I think from a trade show standpoint, I think, you know, a few years ago we were concerned during COVID. Things were really slow, but I think things are really picking up. It's fun to come down to the shows now.
They're back to where they were before, pre-COVID.
The people are spending the money and trying to promote their products, which is good.
So you're a manufacturer's rep. The business model down here is very different. It's mostly distributors, and you know, it's probably 80-20 distributors versus manufacturers reps.
Correct.
What is your opinion of that? How do you see that?
Well, I see up in our area, of course, you can be a representative. You work with distributors. What we're missing up above the border is staff and people to service. And I think down here, I see in Guadalajara that these companies have staff.
They all have staff, but they're all still looking. I mean, every company I've been into is still looking for staff.
Yeah, and they have to service their customers.
Yeah. And
the ones that are successful are servicing their customers.
Well, that's another differentiator. I mean, down here, service has become extremely important. You know, people want the service with the systems they buy, but they have to be from licensed and insured service people.
Yep.
So therefore, a lot of companies are making sure that they're using, they're hiring their own service engineers in-house and not using contract labor.
Sure, they all have to have their certificates and they have to follow the rules now. So, but you know, from my standpoint, I'm pretty excited to see what's going on down here. I think there's a lot of business to be had still, and I think my principals are excited about getting new products sold down here. It was good to come here and see it.
Good.
Okay.
Good.
Plus, they're having the tennis open this week, so you know everything's good.
Absolutely, great. Well, I for one will certainly look forward to that.
Yeah, exactly. All right,
that's good. Anyway, good to see you again, Don. Thank you for coming in, and no doubt by the time we have the end of the show, you'll have more insights that we can share.
I'm looking forward to it. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome to Rocca Solutions. When it comes to the manufacturing and distribution of consumable goods, our name stands out above the rest. In a world driven by innovation and absolute precision, working with suppliers you can count on is key. Rocca Solution combines years of experience and expertise to make sure that we are efficient and always able to meet our customer needs. Our dedicated team works nonstop to maintain the highest standard of quality goods. With more than 17 facilities spread across North, Central, and South America, you can guarantee that your product will be on time every time. The vision of Rocca Solution is to bring manufacturing of consumable goods back to North America, and that vision is already coming true. When it comes to manufacturing and distribution in the electronics industry, who do you choose? Rocca Solution.